Well, we'd like to do one more for you. And then, that's it. Actually, it probably is, unfortunately. I hate to tell you that.
No. Bar's still open.
And,
if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. And we could all together go out on the ocean, and me upon my pony on my boat. And if I were Roy Rogers, I'd sure enough be single. Bring myself to marry in Gold Day. Just be me and Trigger, riding through them movies. We'd buy a boat and on the sea we'd sail. If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. Upon my pony on my boat. The mystery mouse man was smart. He got himself a Tonto, and Tonto did the dirty work for free. But Tonto, he was smarter. One day said, "Keep old Sally, kiss my ass, I've bought a boat, I'm going out to sea." If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, I'd ride him on my boat. We could all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. If I were like lightning, I wouldn't need no sneakers. I'd come and go wherever I would please. I'd scare them by the shady tree, and I would scare them by the light pole, but I would not scare my pony on my boat out on the sea. If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I ride him on my boat, and we could all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. Just me upon my pony on my